Okay, have you enjoyed the Kirtan? Good. How many of you are continuously coming? Like past 2 weeks, regularly, like 2 weeks you are attending? Good. One last week. Okay, you last week, huh?
Last week started.
Oh, good, good. Last week? Good. Nice. So you know about these sessions, right? After Gita course, like we have, after Sri Krishna Janmashtami, every year we start Gita course. So this is a like briefing about Bhagavad Gita, and it's not normal like reading chapter by chapter or shloka by shloka. It is like going through the Bhagavad Gita, which is apt for our day-to-day life and how to apply it. See, when in your colleges also you have learned about theories and practicals, right? When you are doing the theories, definitely you need to do practical also. So when you are considering about science projects or whatever it may be, so here also we are doing the theory, but at the same time how we are going to apply in our day-to-day life. So many books we are reading, right? In our life we have read so many novels, or if you are a good reader, I'm just talking about them. So we have seen so many stories and all, but moral stories also, like in childhood also, like we used to have like one period moral story or value education period, like what and all like we have learned from moral. Every time like teacher used to specify what is the moral of the story, right? So something like we need to take away in our life, but our life is meant to do so many activities other than like we are not like animals. We need to show some difference. What is that? We have our intelligence also, and only we can do the service to the Lord and do, and what do you say, to know more about the Lord. Only humans will have that. Okay, so we need to utilize it properly in our day-to-day life, how we are grooming and how we are running the show every day, right? So we know that we are in center of the Silicon Valley of India. We are very busy people, and to go to our office only it takes hours and hours. So how to do, like we don't have time for our personal things only, and upon that spiritual thing, it's a very tough task. Many people, like when you discuss about spirituality, they will run away. Okay, only few people, spiritually means from the childhood somewhere they are connected with the spirituality, they turn to you. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम लाइक 80% वी हैव सीन लाइक अगर आप भगवान के बारे में कुछ बात करना चाहते हो तो उन लोग आपसे कट ऑफ. ओके, ये तो थोड़ा अलग ही है, हटके हैं, राइट? पता नहीं अभी क्या ज़िंदगी बहुत बाकी है, अभी क्या 60 ईयर्स हो गया, रिटायरमेंट ले लिया, अभी से शुरू कर दिया. अरे इसके लिए तो टाइम बचा है, किसको मालूम क्या होगा कल. टाइम किसी के पास बचा नहीं है भी नहीं, राइट? सो वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट. सो now every week we are running the like we are having this list of programs, okay, which like last year Real Happiness you would have seen, and before that like we have seen what, Missing Link. Good. And today also very good topic coming up, like 12 sessions will be there in one level. So like that we will be having 3 levels, okay, and every level like we will be going good field trip also, retreat, spiritual retreat, and it will be very fun filling and you'll enjoy that spiritual retreat. You would have gone with your family members, friends in different groups, but you can feel the change, you can find the difference also, like when we go with the devotees, how it differs from like with the family. Of course family also you can enjoy, no problem, but this difference you can find when we are going approximately like we'll be going in the month of November end or December. Okay, US companies are shutting down and we'll go for our home, we don't have time. Okay, just you see this retreat, it will change your life. Okay, and regularly I request all of you to do not break this link. Regularly you try to attend the classes because these are very very essential for our life. Okay, so we are spending a lot of time for many things, but what is necessary for our life we are just neglecting. We are not, because no one is there to tell us. what is important in our life, what is not. Okay, don't think that whatever, अगर क्या है, कितना मिलेगा, क्या फ़ायदा है, अगर आप वो ही देखते रहेंगे तो मनी वैल्यू इज ओनली यू आर लुकिंग, बट दिस इज अ वैल्यू फॉर योर लाइफ. हाँ मिलेगा, इधर भी मिलेगा. क्या मिलेगा? इफ़ यू आर अटेंडिंग रेगुलरली यू विल कम टू नो. Okay, you will understand properly, you will catch up the content properly. Okay, do not just, this is a sincere request. And hereafter, like if you have suppose missed, anyway we are sharing the recording for level 2 onwards, or in the like after 6-7 sessions we'll try to have Zoom link also, in case adverse case I'm not getting up from my bed, or I'm going to my native in unavoidable condition. In such case only, like we'll be sharing the Zoom link hereafter. Okay, but the connection is very important. Okay, keep connected. Let us begin today's class. We'll start with prayers. Okay, all of you will recite together only. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmitam Ena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. And as I said, Bhagavad Gita gaya. You know where this Bhagavad Gita, when and where it happened? Kurukshetra. And conversation between whom? Krishna and Arjuna. Okay. Why Krishna only chose Arjuna? Dharmaraja was very much, dharmic person. If it is said in Dharma, no, you should not go that side, means never ever. He also, even Dharmaraj was also good devotee, great devotee of Krishna.
In the battlefield, Arjuna came up with the questions during the war, why we have to do all these things.
Why Krishna was sitting on his chariot? He is Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is God. He could have chosen as a, giving guidance, or on like what do you say, at the center. He could have taken a good position in the war. Why he has taken that as a charioteer? What is the position of that place? When whoever is running the chariot, they have to undergo the kickings of the, not horse, who is the owner of the chariot. Okay, because they can't tell, they will be busy in the war. Left side means left side they used to kick, and right side means right side they used to kick. Okay, so in that direction, that was a horrible position. But still, why do you think that Krishna has undergone that position and he has taken that position? To guide Arjuna. He could have guided anywhere, no? Like on the spot only, he could have shown the Vishwarupa, or on another chariot he could have come as a Raja.
He was a dear friend to Krishna, and also he was Dvesh. He didn't have any Dvesh.
No one actually in Pandavas, no one except Bhima. Like Bhima was very much angry person. कब मिलेगा हाथ में तब देख लूँगा. वो ऐसे he used to wait for that chance. उनके हाथ में आ जाए तो गया काम से. Almost all he killed Kauravas, right? But Arjuna only he has chosen. You want to know the answer? Today I will not give you. Come next week. Okay, twist. Like that, every week I will tell you about Mahabharata. Okay, about especially Bhagavad Gita, that war field. Okay, everything is in the Bhagavad Gita. But important, significance of each and everything. Even Kurukshetra. Why they have chosen Kurukshetra? There are so many places. But why they have chosen Kurukshetra? And it is actually Kurukshetra was shown by Krishna. He knows that that is a pious place, because even Devi Devatas used to come and they used to do meditation, tapasya, austerity. They used to follow the austerity and they used to live. And again, Prithu Maharaj has done so many. Prithu Maharaj means the hereditary of Kauravas. He has a lot of Kuru. So they have done a lot of austerity and tapasya and sacrifices in the same place. So that is a sacred place. So whoever dies in that place, they'll go to heaven, heavenly planets. Got it. So that is how. So Krishna has planned everything. He has planned. Even though they have died, even small soldier also died in that Kurukshetra, they will go to heavenly planets. They will get good positions. They will not go to hell. Okay. So this is the beauty of love, how Krishna has planned. Once they come in touch with Krishna, their life changes. Now also we have the same faith, because every day we are in the war field. Every day we are fighting with our emotions, we are fighting with our neighbors, we are fighting with this, that and all. Manager, company, सब में fight ही हो रहा है. Okay, we are fighting within ourselves, right? So who is there to guide us? Who is sitting in our heart? Paramatma. Paramatma is none other than Krishna. Okay, who is sitting and guiding us, but we don't want to listen. Because why? We know everything. We are IITians, IIMs holders and gold medalists, so-called PhDs. Okay, so many things. Like we tag ourselves, I know everything. So we don't want to listen anyone. Once our that ego we remove and come here and listen carefully and listen to your heart. You can feel that. What are we doing for our soul? We are decorating our body, but soul के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग अच्छे से खा रहे पी रहे हैं ना. बहुत सेंटर्स हैं, बहुत रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, स्ट्रीट फूड्स हैं. We are having very properly. जब मूड नहीं होता तो we'll have more junk food. You know that when you are in stress, you will be hankering for sweets. Okay, you want to have like lot of junk food. You observe when you are in stress. बहुत अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट रिलीज हो गया उसके बाद एक पार्टी मांगता है, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि पूरा स्ट्रेस बस्ट हो गया उधर ही, राइट? सो वी आर somehow like we are subsiding our satisfying our senses, but what are we doing for our soul? Nothing, because we don't know. That is not your fault also, because we don't know. Actually no one has guided us, right? But everything is in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so especially the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, we are going to discuss that topic, which is very very important. From which chapter Lord Krishna has spoken? From second chapter. First chapter you will not see any dialogue from Krishna, not even single thing. Only Arjuna will be murmuring, asking, begging, this and all will be going on. मैं नहीं करूँगा. Second chapter onwards, Krishna will start speaking. So that is that is a summarized content of Bhagavad Gita, and it is a longest chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and very very important also. If you know second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, you can आराम से understand about the other chapters. Okay, And today's class we dedicate to His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So that's what like I was discussing about Bhagavad Gita. Whenever we see Bhagavad Gita, we remember Srila Prabhupada. I think you would also known, right? ISKCON बोले तो Bhagavad Gita, right? ऐसे ही समझ में आता क्योंकि see in Western countries like this whatever A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada has written, that book has was explored in Western countries. He went, I think in the beginning only I have told you at the age of 70, जब रिटायरमेंट का एज है, पोते नातियों का देखभाल करने का एज होता है, but he went to Western country without only 40 rupees in his pocket, and that was not at all applicable there. Dollars only it will run, but still he went in a cargo ship क्योंकि उनको वहीं पे टिकट मिला था. He was sleeping along with cargoes was there, and he got 3 heart attacks in the cargo ship. Imagine, heart attack without having any support, he could survive, and he went to Boston. Now Boston is celebrating 60th year of Prabhupada's arrival. This year they are celebrating in September only. Most of the ISKCON senior devotees are going to attend this festival. Okay, and he was living with hippies. He don't know what to do. He begged some, मुझे shelter दे दो. I am old person. So they have given under the staircase के नीचे जो छोटा होता है ना, that they have given. And he used to cook their prasadam, and he used to feed hippies who were lying on the road. Some are naked also. They don't know what is there on the body. Fully drunkard, addicted to drugs. They don't know about their body, or they don't know their identity also. In such a pathetic condition, he started feeding them prasad. He used to offer Lord Krishna and then give to them as a prasad. And slowly hippies have become happies. No, those people are only like they have taken ISKCON into a next level. Kirtaniyas, they have become kirtaniyas. They have become bald, and they have started wearing dhoti kurta and kartal, mridanga and all. Not even, I think almost all countries are having ISKCON centers. Even in Pakistan we have ISKCON center, and even China, even though it is a communist place. Ukraine, during Russia and Ukraine war also, ISKCON has helped many and many people, and many people have taken shelter in the temple. They have cooked prasadam and they were giving the people who were affected in the war. Even Chinese, Japanese people, they can't spell properly Hare Krishna Mahamantra, but still they chant. What do you mean by this? The faith. Even though you can't utter properly, but still the faith. I have to recite the mantra. Okay, that stammering. They speak a little bit different, right? The pronunciation is different, but they can't speak properly like how we are speaking. Even though we know speaking properly, even though we can chant properly, but we don't have time. Rest of the world will have time, but only we don't have time. हमारे पास time नहीं है, busy है. Right? This is the only one thing we listen. Okay, now let us see today's topic, exploring the inner self. Okay, just a quick activity will do. टाइम है? नहीं, टाइम नहीं है. Okay, quickly I will give you 1 minute only. I don't want to waste your time. You just interact with others and try to know about themselves, their name, their whatever. I will not tell. Whatever they tell, you accept it, and you introduce yourselves. Okay, at least each one 4. Okay, each one 4 devotees. You need to interact. Okay, we'll make time. Now start. Introduce yourself. Communicate. You may be finding your own company people also there. Remember 4 people. Remember, 4 people, don't sit with one person. You need to round. If you want to get up also, no problem. I can see only one person you are dull. More 30 seconds. I think you are sitting with only one person. Get up and round. No problem. Turn around. Okay, now stop. Who have covered 4? हाँ, rest of time नहीं है. Rest of them. Oh, this I can divide. Actually, this part, no, they were interacting very well. इन लोग थोड़ा reserved है, एक साथ ही मिल हो रहा है. I think 3, 4. No, you have covered 4, right? 4 means only 4, ना? No, common 4. Okay. Now today very interesting topic है. Okay. अभी क्या? So did you get your own company persons or from your same native or same places? Different, close, same state? Oh, good. Same college or company or anything? No. If I could have given more time, hobbies भी चल जाते. Right? So always know whenever we are coming to any sessions, no, we need to interact each other, so that what will happen, it will give some association and friendliness. You will feel comfort, right? And you will open up. हाँ, ये अच्छा चल रहा है, ये नहीं, इसमें थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए, एंड ये थोड़ा डाउट लग रहा है, ये क्या होगा, ऐसे एंड ऑल, राइट? सो हियर बेसिकली this all like I was telling you, right? Whether I have opened the same thing or not. Inner self only, no? Yes. When I'm going to, okay, why I will take my name? Okay, no, I will take some other name. Okay, Surabhi Mataji. She is going native. Okay, she has given you her wallet, not native only, somewhere she has given, and after 2 hours she will tell that this is my wallet, can you keep it because I can't carry, it is not allowed. Okay, and she keeps, and में पूरा पैसा था, okay, अच्छा bundle था, and she has given to you. Okay, and after 2 hours she comes back. What was your feeling? Okay, you don't have any attachment with that.
Means I feel like burden. Somebody has given me the responsibility and I have to accept with that. I need to be careful. And
Okay.
I need to give reasons if I lost.
Okay. So same thing, if Surabhi Mataji has, you have won the lottery, but you have lost it, what will happen?
I'll feel disappointed.
Disappointment. But that is a lottery only, no? You have not earned anything. But you have, in the sense, with luck you have earned money, but you have lost it.
Then also like we have that attachment to it. So
Attachment. Yeah. When we see our car and others' car also, like I will give you one example. Okay, you are traveling to native. अभी छुट्टी आएगा तो anyway you will travel, no? फ्लाइट में जाते हैं, बस में जाते हैं, ट्रेन में जाते हैं. आप क्या करते हो ना, you will book ना business class flight ticket. Business class flight ticket, and seat is very comfort. Your destination has come. Will you get down or you will stick to the seat only? Why? You have paid for the seat, no? Seat is good, comfort, it's giving comfort. Destination has come, right? एंड ट्रेन ऑल्सो सेम थिंग, फर्स्ट क्लास का AC खरीद लिया या सेकंड क्लास का AC खरीद लिया है एंड यू लाइक, यू आर अटैच्ड विद दैट, अच्छा सा विंडो सीट भी मिला है, व्यू भी अच्छा दिख रहा था एंड ऑल, बट विल यू गेट डाउन और नॉट व्हेन योर डेस्टिनेशन कम्स? Will you do, right? So this is what like we need to understand. See, whenever our destination comes, like we need to detach from the things. ये अच्छा है तो I can't keep it. If the wallet is good, I can't keep it because that is hers, so I am returning it back. So everything is like that only in our life. So here, very important to understand actually in the battlefield, Arjuna's first argument was, how can I punish my own family members? Right? Attachment, like this attachment, like why, otherwise what will happen if you won't kill him or if he doesn't participate in the war? What will happen?
Kauravas will take over Hastinapur.
Arjuna was ready. Okay, let them take, let them win, I don't bother and all. He was ready to do that.
But that is adharma, right?
Good, that is adharma. Why Krishna was helping Arjuna? He could have done just Krishna, if he just ऐसे करेंगे एक चुटकी में पूरा वैनिश हो सकता था, but he couldn't do, he didn't do, he don't want to do because he want to give credit to Arjuna. Okay, because always God will be very much happy to give credit to a devotee. अगर आप कुछ क्रेडिट, क्या बोलते हैं, कुछ अच्छा सा काम किया है तो विल नेवर थिंक अबाउट गॉड. आई हैव डन, राइट, आई हैव डन, दिस इज माई कैलिबर. ही इज हैप्पी. एंड इफ सपोज यू रिमेंबर दैट, thank you God, you have given this caliber to me, that is why I could achieve that, so he will be very happy because you have remembered Lord at the correct time. Hey, in the same way, like we need to give credit to the Lord. We should never take on us because everything is given by the Lord only. We are just puppets. Okay, he's just playing with us, but sometimes our free will is there, no? If Lord is asking us to go left, no, I can go right. I am very much, I'm Superman, Superwoman, I can do this and come back. Okay, बाद में पता चलता है कितना किस में गिर पड़े, right? So this brings to us an interesting topic actually when we are discussing about attachment and all. With whom are we attached? Okay, what we are going to learn in this entire thing. Okay, tell me now, is attachment wrong? Is it attachment wrong? No, right? How many of you say no? Attachment wrong? No. Yeah, this is my car, so it's attached. I'm attached to my car. Baby attached to mother, right? And similarly, give examples. Attachment.
Loved ones, any loved ones. Mother, partner, kid, anyone.
Attached. That is attached. Okay. But Krishna's instruction starts with the way to deal with this attachment. Attachment is correct, but in some limits. You should not become possessive. This is what will happen, if you are too much attached, you will become very possessive and you will become more insecure also. Okay, I am attached to one of you. Okay, but that attachment has become like a greediness that I can't bear you to talk, you are talking with another person. Got it? And that is not at all correct. And one more thing, like for everything, and suppose your job, you are attached with your job and role, right? Will it give comfort? Because you are in comfort zone, you are feeling that it's correct. I am attached to that. If something happens, what will happen? अटैचमेंट गया एक दिन में. मैनेजर ने कुछ गाली दे दिया, जो नहीं देना था वो दिया, तो क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? गुस्सा आ जाता है, रिजिग्नेशन लेटर लिखकर उसके मुंह पे फेंक कर आ जाते हैं, राइट? तो अटैचमेंट क्या गया? इतना कहाँ गया? कितना दिन से आप उसमें काम कर रहे हैं? नियरली 4 or 5 years you are working consistently, but what happened to attachment? Okay, so here Krishna is giving proper instructions how to deal with attachment. That is very, very important. Okay. Now let us see. Okay, when we are discussing about attachment, what is attachment can be in two parts: attachment, temporary attachment, and permanent attachment. Okay, what is temporary and what is permanent? Now let me know, like all of you raise your right hand, left hand. Okay, and point your body. Point your body. I don't know which part you will point out. Point your body. Okay. Point yourself. So yourself and your body is same, right? Okay. When I say this is my laptop, and I'm sitting here only. This is my laptop. This laptop belongs to me, right? Laptop belongs to me. It sense, right? When I tell you that you belongs to whom, means your body belongs to whom? Myself. My body belongs to myself, right? That's what you are showing, that me or myself also you are pointing out, and you're pointing out to other thing like my body also. So when anyone dies, what will say? Dead body. A person died. Okay, like देखते हैं एक एंथोनी है. एंथोनी died और left his body. अरे बॉडी तो उसका है ना, तो वो कैसे छोड़ कर गया? अभी बोल रहे थे ना आप लोग, दिस बॉडी बिलोंग्स टू मी. When a person dies, Anthony died. Okay, where the body has gone? Body is there only, no? तो वो कहाँ गया? वो कहाँ गया? In all the languages you tell the same thing, no? Like वो चले गए, बॉडी इधर ही रहते लेकिन वो चले गए, वो गुजर गए. Okay, in like Tamil, Telugu, and almost all the languages you speak the same thing, right? Okay, what is your mother tongue? Kannada, what do you say? If Tiroitu means he left. His time is over. हाँ, in और कुछ गुजराती और कुछ किसी लैंग्वेज में गुजर गए, वही. ओह, ये गुजराती है. So सब में वही होता है. In almost all the languages we say the same thing. He left. Okay, he passed away. He left his body. अरे और वो रहने से भी body is here. See, one story always I used to tell that, you know, wife and husband, they are very much connected. You know the bonding between wife and husband. Okay, after 50 years, like all of a sudden, during night time, husband gets heart attack. Only both were living. Husband gets severe heart attack and he passes away. Wife calls parents and she tells that husband got heart attack and he passed away. Please come urgently. I can't stay with this body. I'm getting scared. Arey, more than 25 years you are living together. You are loving each other. All of a sudden, why you are getting scared by looking at the body? Tell me. Same body, no? Same body she loved. Same body she was surviving with from 25 years. All of a sudden, उनको इतना डर क्यों लगने लगा? What is the difference between the body and the person? What is the difference? Consciousness, soul. When you switch off the light, it will be idle. When switch on, the electricity passes and it runs. This chetna hai, right? Some power is there. It's running, right? So we need to understand what is temporary and acting on the platform permanent. So Shastra says that someone lives in the body, that is spirit soul. That's what I was telling you. Who lives in the body? It's a spirit soul. When the soul, everyone has two bodies, actually two, Atma and Paramatma. Our Atma will be moved as soon as we die to the other body. Okay, it takes time, it takes, it needs to travel. Okay, so today now we are going to discuss about all these things. Is attachment wrong? Without attachment we can't prosper in any domain. That is 100% sure, without having any attachment. Now how can I be without any attachment? Attachment to temporary things cause suffering. Okay, for example, kya diya? Seat and all, or your car, or whatever it may be, jobs or whatever, these all are temporary only. These are not permanent in a life, correct? So it will cause sufferings. Now let's understand what is permanent and what is temporary. Now common sense here, yeah, just what I was discussing about, how do we call a person after he is died? When will be the body be cremated? We'll ask you can hear, if you could have seen somebody's death in any family and all, so they will be rushing. Okay, one day bhi properly they can't keep. Okay, as soon as evening ho jata hai na, though they will be rushing to the crematory centers, or then other processes will be going on. So they want to burn, or they want to cremate the body somehow. Like what is the in common sense and logical understanding about this temporary and thing? Organ donations, body parts are in the working state, but still we consider the body is dead. Organ donation, no, this is awareness, right? Awareness and campaign is leading, like donate your organs. I think in some corporate offices also people will come, some hospitals, donate the organs. So how come after the death organs are alive? आफ्टर द डेथ ओनली दे आर डोनेटिंग, नो? वो जिंदा है तो उसे उखाड़ कर तो किसी का डोनेशन नहीं हो रहा है ना. जब वो मर जाता है तभी डोनेशन होता है, राइट? हाउ सोल विल पास दैट एनर्जी. तो व्हेन वी आर स्विचिंग ऑन ऑफ द फैन, फॉर सम टाइम इट विल बी circulating and then it comes to still position. Similarly our body also. That is why we'll be observing 12 days or 11 days that after the death of any person. क्या बोल रहे हैं, आज का पूरा क्लास डेथ में ही है. डरो मत, दिस इज अ फैक्ट. ओके, बाद में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. वो दिस इज ऑब्जर्वेशन, क्योंकि बोलते हैं कि सोल इर्द गिर्द घूमता रहता है 12 days. So we need to, that's why they do all the rituals. And every year also, अभी आएगा ना अमावस्या के दिन, तब पूरा इंडिया में पूरा ये चलता रहता है अमावस्या के दिन ना, श्राद्ध कर्म करना, ये सब कुछ. क्यों? वी आर फीडिंग द सोल्स इन द सेंस. So this is still we consider body to be dead because soul will be passing here and there, so it feels. And Bhagavad Gita is very scientific and practical when we understand, no? Here everything is written about the soul structure, how the soul looks, how the soul, what are the characteristic of soul. No science will give you this information. Okay, no science. You can do PhD in that. On soul you can do PhD, but nowhere it is written except in Bhagavad Gita. You know the size of the soul? हाँ. See, if you take out one hair, in one hair 10,000th part, tip of one 10,000th part, tip of one 1 by 10,000 means tip of 10,000th part of hair, that much small. Atma, got it? And it can't be burnt, it can't be killed, कुछ भी नहीं. That's what आत्मा can't be killed. ऐसे मत बोलो कि उसको एक थप्पड़ मैंने दिया, मैंने इसको बॉडी को मारा, आत्मा को नहीं. Okay? Oh, there are so many jokes also on that. Let us discuss about this one shloka only. We are discussing in this entire class. देहिनोऽस्मि यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहांतर प्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति is very very important shloka in Bhagavad Gita also, in everyday day to day life. As one of you can read quickly.
As the immediate soul continuously passes in this body, from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not rewarded by such a change.
Yeah. If you have seen Janmashtami program, how many of you have attended Janmashtami? Almost all, right? So you have seen Vaishnavis have made one model that with mannequins, like it nicely they were showing from boyhood, some from womb to death. That sequence they have shown how the soul passes from. Soul will be there in the same body, but body transformation of the body you can see. See, whenever you go to home, you take out the albums, photo albums. भगवान की कृपा से अब तक थोड़े एल्बम्स बचे होंगे आपके पास. अभी मोबाइल आने के बाद वो एल्बम्स भी नहीं है. आई डोंट नो लाइक व्हाट यू विल बी शोइंग टू योर किड्स, योर childhood or your childhood pastimes or your engaged pastimes and all, no? But when you, how many, almost all will be having the albums, no? You will be very wondering like by looking at your face and your बचपन में कितने स्वीट थे, कितने चब्बी चब्बी थे, कितने क्यूट थे, स्माइल कितना अच्छा था, बहुत हैप्पी फील होता है. ये मैं ही हूँ सही में, इतने क्यूट थे, अभी ऐसे क्यों हो गई एंड ऑल, राइट? सो same person you see the transformation, right? So now same thing, name the personalities. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, ये तो साइंस बुक में बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं इनके बारे में. एप्पल, नेल्सन मंडेला, रोजर फेडरर, स्टीव जॉब्स, बैराक ओबामा, ओपरा एंड क्वीन एलिजाबेथ. गॉट इट? Remember, okay, this is a memory test. I am giving you different photographs of the same people just now you have gone through. Who are these people? Nice, no? Okay, these are known personalities. We couldn't, because we don't know about their childhood, right? But look at the transformation. Same thing. Our body also changes, but Atma stays same and same size. It will not change. Body will change, but Atma, soul will be in the same position, same size. Okay. Now, these are not same. See, body is continuously changing. Number of bones in your newborn baby, you know how many bones are there? 300 bones in newborn baby. But now how many bones are there? 206. Okay, entire body changes every 7 to 10 years, and even our cells also will keep on changing, right? And even cell span, no, it's 7 to 10 years only. When the body changes, then how does our identity remain the same? It should also change, no? But our identity is the same, correct? Now what happens here? Here Dehi knows me yatha dehe. Means Dehi means what? Soul. And soul again subtle body and gross body. What are this subtle body and gross body? See, everyone is having only one body, except how many are having two bodies? Only one body, right? But actually we have two bodies. Okay, one is subtle body and one is gross body. Gross body is made up, what you are seeing physically now, that is gross body. It is made up of panchabhutas. Okay, you know 5 elements. क्या क्या है? Water, ether, fire. So our body is made up of that. Okay. Now Scripture says that we are spirit souls, and how many bodies do we have? 2 bodies. Okay. Now what are those? Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, and false ego. All together, these 8 constitute my separated material energies. Where it is given in Bhagavad Gita only. See here, in Bhagavad Gita, everything is written. Okay. So what are the 2 coverings? Let us see. What are the 2 coverings? Gross body, subtle body. Like mind, see, earth, water, fire, air, ether. Subtle body, mind, intelligence, and false ego. Okay, ego and false ego is same only. Okay, so अभी हमारा बाहर का बॉडी, बाहर का बॉडी, you know, right? It is made up of, when you cut the body, what you can see? Flesh and blood only. The same body who is so beautiful. ओके, ऐश्वर्या राय इतना ब्यूटीफुल है, एकदम उसको काट दिया तो ए ये कैसे? नहीं, नो नो नो, ची ची, नो, आई कांट स्टे हियर एंड ऑल, विल कम एंड रन अवे फ्रॉम द सेम. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग, all the bodies are made up of flesh and blood. Okay, now subtle body, mind, what is the work? Likes and dislikes. See, wonderful class, do not miss this class. Mind your mind. One class is there, mind your mind. Please do not miss this, because lot of things will be cleared in this class. Your day to day life, how you are balancing your life, and what are your qualities, you will be knowing about yourselves. Okay, now intelligence, what is right and wrong. Always we have both the things, right? Mind, dimag hai. Okay, mind, what mind chooses? Likes and dislikes. Intelligence, buddhi. Okay, right and wrong, no, you should not do this, don't do that. Can you go and touch the hot iron? No. What it tells? Intelligence tells that do not touch, it is hot, right? And these all are sharpened by scriptures. When we'll get this knowledge, when we get this sharpened by reading the scriptures, you will come to know, you will sharpen your intelligence. Example, a diabetic person. Okay, his mind says, actually doctor says that if you touch, his sugar levels are shoot up very high, and he strictly guides, instructs the person, do not eat sweets for next month. You are under medication. If you eat any sweets, you will die. Okay, unfortunately what happens, किसी की शादी आ गई, वो गया अटेंड करने के लिए, तो डाइनिंग एरिया में गए, हिज हॉट फेवरेट इज गुलाब जामुन. जब गया उसके पास, क्या बोलता है? हिज माइंड सेज eat the sweet, you like it, eat, you like it, eat it, you like it, eat it. Mind says. Intelligence says no, don't have, it is not good for your health, please don't have, it is not good. Okay, what will happen now? What is the role of false ego? Makes us believe that I am this body, this is mine. ओके, वो हमको ना कवर अप कर देता है. इट इज़ वेरी मिस्चीवियस थिंग. इट इन्फ्लुएंसेस. ओके, इट विल हेल्प द माइंड. अरे ये हमारे है, अगर मरूंगा तो मरूंगा, उसमें क्या है, एक तो खा लो. अभी यू नो वी कांट, व्हाट इज ही, कंट्रोल आवर सेंसेस. ईगो इज टेलिंग दैट ईट इट, नथिंग विल हैपन, देखा जाएगा बाद में, ईट इट. ओके, वो बोलता है जोर से, माइंड विल बिकम वेरी स्ट्रांग. अरे बोल रहा है ईट इट, देन वो ले लिया, ईट ही हैड. ओके, दिस इज हाउ माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस एंड फॉल्स ईगो वर्क्स. ओके, ऑलवेज ईगो, नो, इट विल इन्फ्लुएंस. इसलिए ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स आर हैविंग ईगो. ओके, इट्स वेरी वेरी टफ टू कम आउट ऑफ योर ईगो. कहीं ना कहीं वो ईगो क्लैश होता है. Why all these nonsense things are happening in the world? ईगो क्लैश. ट्रम्प को इतना क्या हुआ? क्योंकि उसका ईगो क्लैश हो गया. भारत ने बोला नहीं, 50% टैरिफ हम लोग नहीं लगाएंगे, हमको नहीं चाहिए, तो उसका ईगो हट हो गया. तो क्या वो कर रहा है? ही इज इम्पोजिंग सो मेनी, ही इज डूइंग ऑल वेज, ही वांट टू टॉर्चर इंडिया इन ऑल वेज, राइट? यू हैव सीन ईगो. छोटे बच्चों के पास भी ईगो होता है. अगर वो इसको पकड़ लेता है तो इफ यू ट्राई टू स्क्रैच फ्रॉम हिम, विल ही गिव? नो. माइन. जब माइन आ जाता है ना तब भी समझ लेना वो ईगो आ गया. ओके, बिफोर दैट चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी इनोसेंट, दे आर वेरी क्यूट. क्योंकि बोलते हैं ना बच्चे भगवान है, क्योंकि उसको कुछ पता नहीं चलता है. सी दैट इज हाउ ब्यूटी. See again in Bhagavad Gita, again another shloka. Due to time shortage, I am not reading this. One of you read quickly that translation. Read, no.
Besides this, O mighty Arjun, there is another superior
Energy.
of mind which comprises the living entities who are exploiting the resources of this material inferior nature.
Actually, when we are seeing about the gross body and this one, no, gross body is covered with this 5 and subtle body is covered with this 3. When any body leaves, no, so called guzar gaye ya passed away, then what happens? This subtle body will go away. It leaves this body and वो ऊपर चला जाता है with all these things, mind, intelligence, false ego. That's why, no, I'll tell you, you'll be surprised. I'll come back to this point. Okay, first we'll cover this. So this picture, I think many of you know this picture. घर में भी रहता है, किसी के घर में अर्जुन और कृष्णा का भी रहता है. Usually we link with that, Bhagavad Gita and all. Right? Usually if you see analogy to understand mind, intelligence, soul and 5 senses. Okay, we have very these 5 horses are like 5 senses. 5 horses are like 5 senses. You know 5 senses? बचपन में पढ़ा होगा ना? क्या है?
Ear, eyes, nose, smell.
Eyes, nose, smell. This is not. Okay, skin. Okay, these all are 5 senses. And what are those ropes? Lagan. क्या है वो? Ropes क्या है? It's mind. Ropes are mind. Okay, and intelligence, who is holding? It's called intelligence. And who is sitting at the back? Spirit, soul. Soul. Okay, so what is happening here? Mind is always mind is if it is not under the control of the intelligence, it will go here and there, because we'll be having so many likes and dislikes. Suppose you are fasting, but जब you are crossing the street on the street, अच्छा सा स्मेल आ जाता है समोसा का, तो क्या होता है? मैं क्यों फास्टिंग रखी हूँ. एक बार इतना टेम्प्ट हो जाते हैं, फास्ट भी ब्रेक करते हैं. राइट? सो ऐसा होता है. क्यों? योर माइंड इज डोमिनेटिंग. डू इट, लाइक इट, डू इट, लाइक इट, डू इट. ईगो बोलता है चल इतना क्या सोच रहा है, ले ले. ओके, तो इंटेलिजेंस क्या बोलते हैं? नो नो नो, टुडे इज फास्टिंग, यू हैव टू रिलाई ऑन दैट. एंड थोड़ा लगाम करता है. नो नो, देन यू विल बिकम अलर्ट. नो नो नो, आई हैव टू डू. नो नो, समटाइम्स यू बाय योर सेल्फ यू विल कंट्रोल योर सेंसेस. नो, समटाइम्स ऐसे हुआ कभी भी? नो नो नो, यू आर somehow you are about to go but you couldn't go. Somehow you have tolerated and you have अपने आप को थमा दिया. नहीं नहीं, आज मुझे नहीं करना है, I should not do. You know what is that? Your intelligence. So that is your intelligence. Got it? So always remember this analogy. Okay, 5 senses are horses and ropes are called as mind, and holding, who is holding? Intelligence is holding, and who is sitting at the spirit, soul. Okay, intelligence is, if intelligence is weak, what will happen? Rope will be loose and horses will run here and there. तभी होगा your land up, affection, infatuation, या क्या बोलते हैं, like indulging all, committing all wrong things, because there is no control, there is nothing, there is no intelligence to you. That's why we are addicted to such things, drugs, alcohol, or illegal relationships. We are falling under that, right? So when intelligence is strong, then we control our mind. बोलते हैं ना, प्रभुपाद बोलते हैं हमेशा ना, कभी भी कुछ होता है ना, एक थप्पड़ दो अपने आप को तो सेटरेट हो जाता है। गॉट इट? अगर कुछ नहीं सुन रहा है, कुछ बातें आपको समझ में ना आए, एक जोर से आपको थप्पड़ दो। जब माइंड सेट हो जाता है ना, तो इंटेलिजेंट वर्क्स प्रॉपरली। ओके, इंटेलिजेंस शुड बी स्ट्रांग। हाँ, सी देर इज सम थ्रेशोल्ड व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. Bhagavad Gita is the law which is right and which tells us which is right and which is wrong. It, you know, if you read Bhagavad Gita, it is a decision maker. If you are not at all, see, many times in our life we'll be standing in a crossroads. What is good for you, what is not. अगर एक ही बार 4 जॉब्स हो गए, 2-3 जॉब्स हो गए, तो how to decide which is good for you. Okay, some maybe package is less, but work culture is good. Whether to accept that, and package is good, toxic work culture. ठीक है, मैं 3 महीने 6 महीने रहकर फिर से अच्छा पैकेज लेकर निकल जाऊंगी, बट यू विल अंडरगो, आई टेल यू नो, यू विल अंडरगो लॉट ऑफ पेन्स in that period. Short, even though it is short term, everything your life becomes horrible. Alright, so that and all gives, our intelligence gives us to decide what is good and what is wrong. If you read Bhagavad Gita, we'll come to know all these things. Okay, again, now tata dehantara praptir. Here, now when we are discussing about gross body and subtle body, what happens at the time of death? Soul is covered with subtle body, mind, intelligence and ego. Okay, and we get into the new body. Okay, see, soul has gone and joined to the new body. Just it is like removing a, you know, dress and wearing a new dress. हमारा सोल भी यही काम करता रहता है. You know, so called birthdays you are celebrating for this life, it may not be 24 or 25th year you are celebrating. You are eternal from many years. Millions of births you would have taken. Okay, millions of births you would have taken. अपने इस लाइफ में you are addicted, you are attached to your mummy papa. Last जन्मा, like you are like daughter or son to someone else. Okay, so this is all not part and parcel of our life. This is all our, you know, a journey. We have come into this part and we are taken this life and we are attached to our parents. This is my family, this and all. So that's it. And after that, these all are temporary. And again you need to leave this body and go to another body, next life. Okay, now what will happen? There is a scientific proof that when the soul passes from one body to another body, again people will take new birth. Science, few atheists says that there is no life, next life. वही बोलते हैं ना, अरे जिंदगी एक ही है, जितना खाना पीना है, एंजॉय करना है, ऐश करना है, अभी करो, क्योंकि पता नहीं नेक्स्ट जन्म है कि नहीं, वो किसको पता होगा. राइट, you may also think several times, you may also thought like ऐश करो, enjoy this life. Who will think about the next life? अभी ये लाइफ के लिए थिंक करने के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, सोचने के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, तो अगले लाइफ के लिए मैं अभी से सोचूं क्या? मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. राइट, one thing I will ask you, like if you want to go to your places or long destinations, will you book your ticket now or not? Will you book your ticket for transportation? Even though you have your own car, you will refill the tank and all and make the arrangements. But see, when you are, all preparations we are doing for our, you know, traveling, but why we are not doing for our traveling for the next life? We are traveling now, this life is, are you in the same position? अगर बेबी होते तो बेबी ही रहना चाहिए ना. You have grown and again you will take, you know that exit, everyone should exit. We have expiry date. Like हमेशा हम लोग देखते हैं सॉस का कुछ भी लेते हैं तो इवन मिल्क पैकेट कब तक एक्सपायरी है. Even we have our expiry date on our forehead already written by Lord. Okay, so everyone has come with the expiry date. Right, we need to leave this body and travel to the next body. So there are so many faith on the reincarnation. Definitely, we are coming and taking birth. We are taking rebirth again in somehow, like as an animal or as a human being, whatever it may be. So this person, like Dr. Ian Stevenson, is a professor of psychiatry, West Virginia, USA. Because why we have taken this USA person? Because we will not believe in us, no. इंडिया का शास्त्र में किसी को बिलीफ नहीं होता है. जब घूम फिर कर वेस्टर्न कंट्री से आता है ना, तब तसल्ली होती है, या दिस अ ब्रांडेड, नो. अगर सेम शर्ट और सेम कॉस्ट्यूम इफ यू परचेज हियर नहीं है तो ये तो ई रोड में बना है, एक वाइट शर्ट है, इतना क्या 300 में आ जाएगा. नहीं नहीं, ये तो चीप दिखेगा. अगर सेम टी शर्ट सेम शर्ट इफ गोज टू यूके और नो ज़ारा लगा दिया उसका तफ्था, तो ही इज कॉस्टली, नो. दिस इज ब्रांडेड, तब आ जाती है. So that's why we have collected this all information. How it will connect to us, right? Western body. He has done research. More than 3,000 cases of reincarnation. Reincarnation is. Reincarnation means क्या है? Rebirth, पुनर्जन्म. Okay, so many movies also have come. एक ही 3 घंटे में पूरा 2-3 जन्म का भी उन लोग दिखा सकते हैं. Okay. Let us see. This is always, I think, new reincarnations also there are so many case studies. This is a known case study in our Indian history, and there are many. If you just Google in YouTube also, you will come to know so many recent reincarnation stories. Recent stories. He is Deep Kapadia, actually Pannalal Agarwal. So Deep Kapadia, this about his story in 1984, it was printed, published. Okay, last life he was a student of arts as a Ruparel College, Mumbai, and last life, see what happened actually. This person, Deep Kapadia, was taken birth in a well-known family, very good family in Mumbai, and as he was growing, no, at 3.5 years, he started talking in Marwadi. Actually, Deep Kapadia's language is in Hindi. But all of a sudden, he started speaking in Marwadi. They were wondered why this child is speaking in Marwadi, and no one knows about that language also. No one can speak that language. And he was not going to school also, where he started speaking. All of a sudden, he started speaking in fluent Marwadi, and that too. And no one knows like what was going on. And उसको अच्छे से डॉक्टर्स को दिखाया, and he scolded them, parents have scolded them, कहाँ से पकड़ कर लाया है लैंग्वेज, क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे साथ, ये सब कुछ. So and he was telling that only one thing, I want to go to Udaipur, please take me to Udaipur, I can't leave here. And he started crying, and they went to psychiatrists and all, and so many medications, tried with all, parents had tried, fed up with all the medicines, and approached Ian Stevenson's group of doctors, because they have gone through this. Ian Stevenson's ना उनका article आया था कि he has done so many research about reincarnation and all. Now they have approached him, okay, and so what happened, like then according to his group, Ian Stevenson along with his group, they have visited their house, and they started listening to this boy, what is his journey, what happened and all. He wanted only one thing, he wanted to go to Udaipur and he wanted to meet his family. So okay, चलो उदयपुर चलते हैं. एक ट्रेन का टिकट पकड़ लिया, and he was alone. I mean, his parents were also with him only. And as soon as he was traveling, just one station before Udaipur, he started recognizing. Next day, he started telling to the group of people and parents that next station is Udaipur. Be alert. उधर उतरना है हमको. He is making alert, and parents were shocked. क्योंकि never ever they travel to Udaipur, and these all other people also, they were shocked, and they were observing. Now as soon as they got down, he was very much excited that he is going to his hometown, he is going to meet his family, because you can imagine after a long period you are going to meet your family, how happy you feel, right? Same way he was feeling very happy, and he was like, as soon as he got down, and they took one उसमें रिक्शा वगैरह कुछ होता है ना, वो ले लिया. एंड ही आइडेंटिफाई वन रिक्शा पर्सन एंड ही स्टार्टेड टेकिंग द नेम. हाँ, लाइक ही वॉज कॉलिंग हिज नेम एंड इज सेइंग, हाँ भाई कैसा है, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा है क्या? दैट पर्सन, हु इज ही? This what is talking? How do this boy knows my name? Okay, everyone is shocked to listen all these things, and he was showing all the direction. No one knows about his house, and he has shown his direction, and he went to the house and he knocked the door. After 32 years, he is coming back, and his child, means in the previous life, his son was very young, and now he has grown up. 32 years old person, and now he opened the door, and he was telling that like, how are you? He started taking out his name, how are you and all. He just recalling, he might be my son, because he is thinking that इतने बचपन में मैं चला गया हूँ, अब इतना साल हो गया, तो he might be my son. तो ऐसे तो उन लोग ने ऐसे उनको बुला लिया था. तो ही वॉज शॉक्ड. नहीं, एंड ही वॉज टेलिंग, आई एम योर फादर, वेयर इज योर मदर, शो मी. सबसे मिलना चाहता है, मदर से भी मिल लिया, कैसी हो तुम, ऐसे सब कुछ, कैसे दिन गुजर रहे हैं मेरे बिना, ऐसे एंड ऑल, कैसे गुजारा है सब कुछ. वो तो शॉक हो गई, ये कहाँ से आ गया है लड़का, ये मेरे ऊपर ऐसे क्यों पूछ रहा है मेरे से एंड ऑल. सो ये सारा सब कुछ हो रहा था, लेकिन दे वर नॉट बिलीविंग. Then one thing they asked, son asked, tell me, like anything, only father and he was a secretary, what क्या बोलते हैं, secretary in the king's family actually. He was working at that time in the previous life, so he used to have one gun at home. Then he asked, son asked, okay, you are telling so many things, no? You tell me that where my father used to, hide a rifle. So he said that, like in second floor, inside the photograph, there was a photo hanged like that, and inside, beneath that, you can find the rifle. So just he pressed a button and the frame slides to uncover a door and operate kerosene fans to everyone's surprise. Now they can see the rifle was there. Imagine. This is how many times reincarnations happens. Recently I have seen one video, case study only. This was also business family. One person was killed by his enemy. Okay. In the night, during the night, he was killed, and then no one could identify who is the killer. Okay. Next life, he identified who was the killer, and he was punished. It is written in the case, first time in the history of the jurisdiction. Again, the case was opened. How he was killed, everything was narrated. But the same person who was reincarnated, you can check, it is there. Okay, case study. So many times it happens that is the reason I'll tell you some resemblance and some smell of the previous life we have. Okay, there are over 100 books proving that reincarnation today, and one of the qualities is phobia. Okay, persistent, excessive, unrealistic fear. Okay, see, some fear of an object. Few people will be having some fear of an object or person, animal, activity or situation. Some we have birth and some phobias we develop from birth. Okay, किसी को मैंने लास्ट टाइम में भी बोला था ना, एक सब्जी की पसंद नहीं होता है. फोबियास स्पेशली ऊंचे उड़ान पे यू विल गेट स्केर्ड एंड समथिंग लाइक पानी से डर लगता है एंड ऑल, लाइक डार्कनेस से डर लगता है, सिटिंग लोनलीनेस इज अ डर. ओके, sometimes these all are phobia is also related to the previous lives. Okay, so this is how the strong belief, and it is proven Okay, and everything is written in Bhagavad Gita about reincarnation, life after life. So that is the reason you should think about lives, not the present life, which is permanent and which is temporary. We are thinking about temporary happiness. आज है कल गया. But what is permanent happiness? Spirituality. Spiritual need is permanent happiness. See, NDE, near death experience. Again, this Michael Sabam, cardiologist and professor, he has witnessed. Okay, he has witnessed. Patient was under severe anesthesia. You know, when it happens, it clinically dead. When we give the over anesthesia, it is declared that clinically dead. Person won't have any sense. You know, it's almost dead only. Okay, after operation identified, oak tree in front of the hospital. What happened? The body, upon the body, there is some kind of energy which is coming out, and it is observed. It was looking like some energy is circulating over the body. That was observed by this doctor. Okay, when the operation was successful, and the patient was like conscious, that time they have asked you what you have seen, okay, during this time, because you don't have any sense, no, but what you have seen. So she was telling that oak tree in front of the hospital, I saw this tree 1.5 hours back, and terrace 6 months it was closed and left on Nike shoes, right, dirty water tank, front oak tree. ये पूरा घूम कर आ गया, उसका पूरा आत्मा ना, ये पूरा घूम कर आ गया in front of the hospital and all. See, usually we don't know like what is around the hospital, but this, you know, a clinically dead and a high anesthesia, usually that ECG and all will go flat at that time. So they are not in conscious, they are almost all dead. But sometimes like this atma will, this soul will come outside the body and it observes. So that is the reason when a person dies, so it takes nearly 11 days to go away, okay, to take its journey, start its journey. That's why it will tell that मेरे क्या बोलते हैं सगे रो रहे हैं कि नहीं. ये हमेशा क्या होता है, जैसे जैसे जो भी गुजर जाते हैं ना, इफ़ एनी पर्सन डाइज, व्हाट विल हैपन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स पार्टीशन, किसका कितना मिलेगा, प्रॉपर्टी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वही रहता है ना. अरे गुजर गया तो गुजर गया, क्या करना है, प्रॉपर्टी दे कर नहीं गया तो अभी लॉयर के पीछे भागना है, इसके पीछे भागना है, और बहुत ज़्यादा डांटने लगते हैं. नो रिस्पेक्ट अबाउट हिम एंड ऑल. सो बी केयरफुल, नेवर एवर यूज दैट things like whenever close to the body, because it is observing. So that is why it said that आपका क्या बोलते हैं, पितृ दोष है, वो दोष है, ये दोष क्यों है, यही है सारा, सब कुछ यही है. We haven't given whatever they need properly. Okay, so
in Germany, Christina's doctors are also losing their battle. Her heart will not restart. She has just minutes before her brain too shuts down.
Es wurden Defibrillationsschocks
We were trying to jumpstart her heart with a defibrillator.
zum Schlagen zu bringen. Gleichzeitig
We gave her several drugs.
Seite mehrere Medikamente. Der Patientin hatte zu viel
The
Blut.
patient had lost too much blood. Her organs weren't getting enough.
Wo kein Mensch und ich am wenigsten
We really didn't think we could save her.
erfolgreich sein können.
Because Christina's heart has stopped pumping, many would consider her dead. Yet something seems to be happening with her mind.
Das nächste, was ich wieder weiß, ist, ja, dass ich wohl unter der
Next
Decke.
thing I know, I was hovering underneath the ceiling of the room.
Also auch auf
I could see down on myself laying on the operating table,
gesehen
and I
habe.
saw the surgeons and heard them talking to each other.
Sie haben
The
mir-
scenario was pretty hectic.
es gab mir dann auch
I realized that this was about life or death.
To help understand near-death experiences, some researchers focus on the content of these episodes.
A common element that occurs early in near-death experiences is what's called an out-of-body experience. At that time, the person seems to be able to see and hear things going on, but up from the vantage point above their body.
Understood? Above their body. Got. So this is how scientifically it is proven also. Right? See, likes and dislikes comes from stored our mind. So in subtle body it is stored, right? Subtle body carries what? Mind, intelligence and ego. So this all stores. Okay, this time, like this life you like gulab jamun and all. Okay, for example. Or you like some climbing the, trekking and all. So next life, there will be some likes which are related to the same thing. Likes and dislikes happens the same. Okay. So next, a sober person is not bewildered by such a change. Who is having Gnan about, who is having the knowledge about Bhagavad Gita, they will never scare about the death. Okay. And they will try to understand what is body and what is soul, what I need to do for the soul and super soul. Okay. Atma, Paramatma. Always Paramatma residing in each and every body. Okay. So that is how we need to groom ourselves. At least we are very happy that you have joined and you will come to know what we are going to do these many days, why we haven't done this. Got it? So when we understand, abhi aaye hain to jana hi padega. So no attachment. There is temporary. These all are temporary things. Today I will enjoy my life and over, done. That my part is over. And next series will be about karma. Okay, how to handle our adverse situations. Okay, in our life there are so many situations, right? Different situations, ups and downs, and how to handle. Okay, why always it happens to me? Why? Okay, always. Do you have a question this time? Why always I am targeted, or why always I am unlucky? Have you got that time anytime? सबको टिकट मिलता है लेकिन मुझे टिकट नहीं मिलता है. सब हैप्पी है लेकिन मुझे हैप्पीनेस नहीं है. ओके, यू सीम्स टू बी दैट फुल. मेरे इर्द गिर्द तो पूरे लोग हैप्पी हैं, सिर्फ मुझे छोड़कर सब लोग हैप्पी हैं. वाई ओनली दिस डिजीज इज कॉल्ड मी? ओके, एवरीवन इज हैप्पी, हेल्दी, रोमिंग, ईटिंग एवरीथिंग. ओके, जब डायबिटीज़ हो जाता है ना तब पता चलता है कि ऑल आर ईटिंग नाइसली, ओनली वाई मी. देयर आर, आई एम टेलिंग नेक्स्ट सेशंस very much connected to our day-to-day life. This why me. Okay, mind your mind. Okay, why me? How to handle adverse situations. These and all are very great things which we can connect in our day-to-day life. So a sober person is not at all bewildered, not scared of all these things. And these all are trash. आज है कल नहीं रहेगा, छोड़ दो. Okay, but what is needed for this life? Okay, knowledge. That you try to get it. Okay, how to get knowledge? By A, B, C, D. What is this? A for association, good association. B for reading books. Okay, reading scriptures. C for chanting. Soul. I told you, Dekho, there was one nice princess, very beautiful princess. She was having a hobby that I had a desire that to bring a parrot, okay, which can repeat whatever she says, it can repeat. So she brought a cage and a parrot, and she used to daily decorate the cage, and golden cage, that too golden cage. Every day she used to paint clean the golden cage, and she used to think that parrot is happy, but she was not feeding anything to parrot. Last day, after shouting, after 1-2 weeks, it dies. Because she hasn't taken care of the parrot. She has taken care of the only cage. Same thing, what we are doing, we are taking care of the body. Body is a cage. Okay, every day we are taking care. Okay, that is required. That is given by the Lord only. This body is given by the Lord, so we need to take care of this body. Okay, but at the same time, more than this, we need to take care of the soul, super soul. Atma. Okay, so what is that? Paramatma, right? So how we need to take care? इसको तो हम लोग खाना देते हैं तो वो आ जाता है, लेकिन दूसरों को क्या दे सकते हैं, सुपर सोल को क्या देना है? सो एवरी डे वी नीड टू डू जपा हरिनाम महामंत्र. सो व्हेन वी आर डूइंग हरिनाम मंत्र, नो Hare Krishna mantra, what will happen? Our heart get cleansed. Okay, that after getting cleansed, Atma will get purification. Okay, then Paramatma, we are giving respect to him and we are giving, no, क्या बोलते हैं, respect and praying to him. Okay, when you are seeing everyone, like everywhere Paramatma in everyone's body, you will never blame or you will never harm anyone. Got it? That is how, like, we need to understand. Okay, we are not human beings with spiritual experience, but spiritual beings with human experience. This understanding we should have. We will become stable in all situations of life. We need to, sthita prajna. Lord Krishna says that Arjuna should become sthita prajna. Means what? In all the situations we need to be the same. Okay, happy हो गया तो party, jumping, पूरा. जब unhappy हो गया तो नीचे गिरकर roll करना. Okay, these all are usually we do. रोना, depression में चले जाना and all. Why this depression is coming into the existence? Because we don't know how to tolerate, how to control, how to manage. Got it? This is an important quality for a leader in a walk of life, family or office. The spiritual beings with human experience. Got it? So last time we have seen there are 4 needs, last to last. What are those 4 needs? First class. Physical needs, emotional needs, and spiritual need comes last. What are the things? Spiritual, emotional and psychological need. Okay. Physical need. Okay. So what are the practical benefit? Universal brotherhood. If everyone is respecting, if everyone knows that these all are souls, super souls, then will never harm. ऐसे मत करो कि इसको मार दिया मैंने. हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है. हो किसी को जो लिमिटेड, कभी भी आधा ज्ञान मत लेना. ओके, if you are taking antibiotics also, no, don't leave in between. You need to take proper dosage, otherwise it will harm your body. Same thing ना, पूरा कहीं भी जाएंगे ना, पूरा ज्ञान लेने की कोशिश करो. अगर आधा मैंने आज बोला आपको, या हमारे इसमें in everyone hearts there is a soul and super soul, right? अगर soul can't be killed, okay, going and hitting other and killing others. Okay, माता जी ने बोला कि only body will be killed, not मैंने मारा ही भी नहीं किसी को. आत्मा इज परमानेंट एटर्नल. मैंने इसको नहीं मारा तो okay, we don't have any right to hurt or harm others because it is given by the Lord. Okay, we should respect others' body. Okay, we don't have any authority to touch others' body and harm others' body. Got it? And harm yourself also. Okay, मेरा बॉडी है, मैं खुदकुशी कर लूंगी. मैं आपको क्या है, आजकल के बच्चे भी बोल रहे हैं ना, this is my body, I will hurt. What do you want? I am grown up. I am everywhere where I am coming now, ego comes over. Okay, it is influencing us, dominating us. So then we'll fall down. Okay, we need to एक बार थप्पड़ मारने की जरूरत है. एक बार बोलो ए ईगो नहीं है, मैं नहीं हूँ, भगवान है. Okay, then you'll come to know. Like you rising above inferiority complex because I am not this body, I am black, white and all. No, this body is gifted by Lord. Positive outlook and attitude to life. Instead of complaining, we start helping others. Right use of resources, will not exploit others. Okay, see everything, save nature, save earth, सब कुछ है इसमें भगवत गीता में, but still no. What is the practical tip? Soul, spirit soul, subtle body, gross body, physical needs, साइकोलॉजिकल. सी ग्रॉस बॉडी क्या क्या चाहिए? फिजिकल नीड्स. सटल बॉडी को क्या क्या चाहिए? साइकोलॉजिकल एंड इमोशनल नीड्स. स्पिरिचुअल सोल को क्या चाहिए? स्पिरिचुअल नीड्स. ओके. Don't starve the spirit soul. Encourage people to do these 3. Chant on beats, study Bhagavad Gita, shloka per day. At least shloka, 1 shloka per day. See, shloka will be not as a paragraph, right? Only 2 lines. How much time you need? 2 minutes. 2 minutes में मैगी बन सकता है, तो 2 minutes में श्लोका नहीं पढ़ सकते, right? So don't miss this unique weekend association of like-minded spiritualists. Okay. Now let us. Do you have any question? If anyone is having question, off कर दीजिए.